So we are solving question from GATE 2016 electronics branch. It was a 1 mark question. So this is the circuit given. This is an RLC circuit. This is 0.25 Henry. This capacitor is 100 microfarad. This resistor is 2 ohm. This inductance is 0.4 Henry. This capacitor is 10 microfarad. This is 2 ohm. This is output voltage. This is input voltage. Input voltage is given as 2 cos 200t plus 4 sin 500t. So we have to find V naught of t. So input voltage consists of two different frequencies. First frequency is 200, second frequency is 500. So we have to use the superposition theorem. So first case we consider for 2 cos 200t. The input signal consists of two components. So here omega is equal to 200. So if we find XL for this, then XL will be equal to omega into L. So this will be equal to 200 into 0.25. So 200 into 0.25, this will be equal to 50 ohm. And XC will be equal to 1 upon omega C. X is equal to 1 upon omega C. For this, so it will be equal to 1 upon 200 into 10 to power minus 4. So this will be again be equal to 50 ohm. So this will again be equal to 50 ohm. So XL is 50 ohm and XC is 50 ohm. So for case 1 we have found XL is equal to 50 and XC is also equal to 50. So we redraw this circuit. So it will be equal to, this is J50 and this is minus J50 and this is 2 ohm and this circuit will be as it is. So this is J50, this is minus J50, this is 2 ohm. So if we add a J50 and minus J50, these are in series, so it will be 0 ohm. So this will be 0 ohm. So 0 ohm is replaced by a short circuit. So this resistance has now no effect. So this resistance has now no effect. So V naught T will be equal to Vi of T in this case. So V naught of T will be equal to Vi of T. Because this is the short circuit path. So this will be V naught T equal to VIT by KVL. So V naught T will be equal to, for the case 1, 2 cos 200t. When we considered input as 2 cos 200t, then V naught T equal to VIT. So V naught T equal to 2 cos 200t. Now we consider case 2. Now we consider the second frequency. So the second frequency is 4 sin 500t. So we are using superposition principle. Now we find XL for this. So XL is equal to omega into L. So this will be equal to 500 into 0.4. And XC is equal to 1 upon omega C. So 1 upon 500 for this into 10 to power minus 5. So XL and XC both will be 200 ohm. XL and XC both are 200 ohm. XL and XC both are 200 ohm. So again we can draw the circuit like this. This is minus J200 and this is J200 and this is 2 ohm resistor. So this is J200 and this is minus J200. So this is J200. This is minus J200. This is 2 ohm. So these are in parallel. So if we find in parallel their resultant, so resultant will be equal to XL into XC upon XL plus XC, the resultant impedance. So XL plus, so in the denominator there will be J200 and minus J200. So denominator will be 0. So the equivalent impedance will be infinite because in denominator it is 0. So this equivalent impedance will be infinite. So we can replace it by an open circuit. So I have replaced it by an open circuit because J200 and minus J200 were in parallel. So their equivalent will be XL into XC upon XL plus XC. So J200 and minus J200 in denominator will be equal to 0 when we add them. So it will be infinite. So this is replaced by an open circuit. So again there will not be any current flowing through this branch. So again V naught T will be equal to Vi of T. Again V naught of T will be equal to Vi of T in this case also. So V naught of T will be equal to 2 cos 200t plus 4 sin 500t. So we considered superposition theorem to find the output voltage due to these two frequencies. So in both the cases the output voltage was equal to the input voltage only. So this is the expression for V naught T. V naught T is exactly the same as input voltage. Output voltage is exactly the same as input voltage. Because for first case for 2 cos 200t this will be replaced by this branch will be replaced by a short circuit. So V naught T will be equal to VIT. And for 4 sin 500t this branch will be replaced by a open circuit. So again V naught T will be equal to VIT. So due to superposition we consider the effect of both these terms separately. So V naught T will be equal to VIT. So please like and share the video, and if you have any doubt you can comment in the comment box. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Also if you want to share feedback then you can post your feedback in the comment box. Thank you and best of luck.